Welcome to the ultimate Python tutorial. We're also including a bonus Vim tutorial. First of all, are you here for the Vim or Python or both? If you're here for Vim, it's the last few sections of this course, and I hope you'll stay for the Python. Maybe give Python a go if you're not familiar with it. It's some very useful programming language. The Vim course is something I've created a few years back, but I think it's still very applicable. Not much changes with Vim. It's a lightweight text editor on pretty much all Linux systems. So whenever you need to use an editor and you're on Linux, you can always rely on Vim. That's why I think it's so important. And if you're here for the Vim, I congratulate you. Definitely a great thing to learn. You can feel free to scroll down to the end of the course and learn Vim. I've added onto the original Vim course a lot of Python because I think Python is so valuable. So if you're here for the Python, just continue on. I've prepended Python to the Vim course, so Python starts right from the get-go. And I hope you'll stay for the Vim. It's just a 1-hour course at the end, a very useful thing to know and to understand. So we'll start with Python. We'll kick that off. We'll do an intro and get into the Python and then conclude that. And then Vim has its own introduction and content and conclusion as well at the end of this course. So I'm so glad you're here and looking forward to sharing in this learning experience together.